also think that this might also deviate the student to just prepping for CUET and not actually taking care of their 12th exams? क्योंकि अब वो नहीं रहा ना कि जितने मार्क्स चाहिए होते वो लाने हैं तभी एडमिशन मिलेगा.
So honestly speaking, all the good universities, so like DU have something called tiebreaker. They've introduced tiebreaker. So let's say 100 students have same percentile. They will look at the top. They will look at the top scores in their boards. Which child scored more, and even if that is same, then they will look at the top 3 subjects. That's how they're gonna. There's a
But it will
tiebreaker
mean
there.
that
And in the
12th is
end, they will
not.
look at,
Yeah,
yeah.
12th
And
is
in the
still
end, they will look
important.
at which child is, if everything is still the same, then the age factor comes in.
So, जिसका age बड़ा
Anybody
होगा.
who's older, even a day older, will get the admission.
Okay. But that also means कि ऐसा नहीं है कि 12th की कोई value नहीं है.
Yes.
You still have
And
to be.
12th will always have its value, yes. But yes, for entrance exam, it doesn't have the same value anymore, because now there is a separate examination, but both will always have its value.